Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my everyday go-to makeup. So this is just very easy. It's got just enough smokiness and naturalness to wear every single day. It looks amazing. It goes great with basically any eye color, but I think it really makes my blue eyes pop. So without further ado, let's just get into my go-to full face makeup. To start off, I'm using my Fit Me foundation by Maybelline, and I'm just putting this all over my face, dotting it on, and then I'm just going to blend it in with my e.l.f. foundation brush. Next, I'm going in with my Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'm going to be selecting this light shade over here with a blending brush, and that's just going to give us more definition in the crease. And then I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to blend these two dark shades together. So I'm just going to mix them, and then I'm going to line my lashes with them. Almost like a soft, smoky liner. Using eyeshadow instead of liner just gives it a softer, smokier, natural look, and I love doing this for every day. And just repeat that step on the lower lash line, combining those two dark shades in the palette. And this is basically all I put on the lower lash line. And now I am just using another shade to kind of blend those out with a tapered brush, just to kind of blend things in and make it look a lot more natural. And then I'm taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Didn't realize I was using basically almost all Maybelline products, but that just goes to show how much I love them and how good they are. But yeah, this is my favorite mascara ever. And then I'm going in with my NYX pomade. I'm going to take that on a tapered brow brush, and I'm just going to speed through the process of filling in my eyebrows. Next up we have blush. I'm using the Beauty Counter palette, and I'm going to go in with the lighter blush. And I'm just taking that on a Real Techniques blush brush and just blending that in to give myself some color. And that's basically it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so and give this a thumbs up if you enjoy these beauty videos. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and until I see you in my next video, I hope you're having a great day. And yeah, I love you guys. I hope you know that, and yeah. Kisses. Bye-bye.